Okay, part two. So going more into the features of this MOC that I designed. You have two control panels there. We have a R2 droid right at the front. We have a decaled mythosaur on the front of the aircraft, inspired by the Mandalorian. Also, this decal came from the Armor's Forge set. Just pick it up, you get the full idea of what this thing really looks like. The wings, they fold up like that, or they have expansive wings. I thought that was a cool feature that I added. And then we have the engine on the back. Well, 3 separate engines. If I just put the camera down for a second. It also includes landing gear that can fold up and down. Just set it down like that. That's it.